Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Standard 4th subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, as you know, we had completed the poem number 5, 6 Honest Serving Men. Students, as you know, in the previous lecture I had explained you chapter number 5, 6 Honest Serving Men, right? And today I am going to give you the notes. So students, I request to everyone to open your combined book number 1. In that you have to open the page number 13. Students, जैसे कि आप जानते हो पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था चैप्टर नंबर 5, 6 ऑनेस्ट सर्विंग मैन, और आज मैं आपको इस चैप्टर का नोट्स दूंगी। तो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ सारे बच्चों से कि वो अपनी कंबाइंड बुक नंबर 1 ओपन करें। उसमें पेज नंबर 13 आपको ओपन करना है। सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Chapter number 5, 6 Honest Serving Men. So students, the very first question is, learn and write the given words 3 times. Students, the very first question, it's a copywriting. Already the dictation words are given, that only you have to write 3 times. So students, let's see. Those news word. Okay, so here the very first one. So students, can you see the very first word? It's a honest. So you have to write the honest word 3 times. Got it students? Now the second word, it's a serving. Students, you have to write the word serving 3 times. Third word, it's a breakfast. Students, you have to write the word breakfast 3 times. Then flock. That word also you have to write 3 times. Next word, it's a million. So students, you have to write 3 times the word million. Now the next word, it's a abroad. This word also you have to write 3 times. Now students, the next word, the last one, it's a affairs. So students, the word affairs you have to write 3 times. Students, if you observe in the combined book number 1, page number 13, the same question is mentioned. Students, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है लर्न एंड राइट द गिवन वर्ड्स 3 टाइम। ये आपके कंबाइंड बुक नंबर 1 में है ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन, पेज नंबर 13 में, जो आपका होमवर्क पार्ट है और आपको अभी कंप्लीट करना है। स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर न्यू वर्ड्स हैं, वही आपको 3 टाइम्स लिखना है। राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Give rhyming words from the poem. Students, in your combined book, page number 13, question number 2, give rhyming words from the poem. Students, now only you have to complete the notes. आपको अभी ही notes complete करना है। Got it students? ये सारे questions आपके combined book number 1 में हैं, पेज नंबर 13 में। अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे पेज नंबर 13 में स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 Give rhyming words from the poem. Right, students? Now let us see the question. The very first one. So students, here the very first one, A1, it's a serving man. So the answer is when. B1, new. The answer is view. C1, see. The answer is me. D1, west. The answer is rest. E1, then. The answer is men. F1, small. The answer is all. And the last one, G1, it's eyes. The answer is wise. Students, again I am repeating the question number 2. Give rhyming words from the poem. Students, now only you have to complete the notes. Got it, students? So here, the very first one, it's a A1, serving men. And the answer is when. B1, new. The answer is view. C1, see. The answer is me. D1, west. The answer is rest. E1, then. The answer is men. F1, small. The answer is all. The last one, G1, eyes. The answer is wise. So students, we had completed the question number 2. Give rhyming words from the poem. Right, students? Now move to the next question. So here, question number 3. Give opposites of. Students, if you observe in your command book, page number 13, the third question is give opposites of. Now let us see the question answer. Means the question part of opposite word and its answer. So here, as you can see, the A1, it's a honest and the answer is dishonest. Right? B1, busy. The answer is idle. C1, small. The answer is big. D1, open. The answer is close. Students, again I am repeating. Question number 3, give opposites of. In that, the very first one, it's a honest and the answer is dishonest. B1, busy. The answer is idle. C1, small. The answer is big. D1, open and the answer is closed. So students, we had completed question number 3 also. Students, I hope everyone had completed the question number 1, 2 and 3. Right, students? Now move to the next question. So here, question number 4. So, students, now question number 4. Write the names of the 6 serving men. Frame questions on the following in such a way that you use each of them at least once. See that you use all 6. So here, students, now the very first one. Mr. Patel is our English teacher. And the answer is, who is our English teacher? So students, by observing the answer, you can see that we are framing a question. अगर आप देखोगे स्टूडेंट्स, जो आंसर का पार्ट है एक्चुअली में वो क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन बनाना है. So here the A1, Mr. Patel is our English teacher. And the answer will be, who is our English teacher? Got it, students? And in the end of the sentence, we have to put a question mark. Now students, as you can see, we had completed the page number 13 of your combined book number 1, right? Now move to the next page. So here students, the next page, page number 14. In that, the B1, I come to school by bus. So students, by looking to the question, it is formed as a sentence. It's a right sentence. I come to school by bus. Now we have to form a question. So we are going to use the word, how do you come to school? And in the end of the sentence, we are going to put a question mark. This now the C1. Our school starts at 11 a.m. So students, now we have to form a question. So the question will be, what time does our school start? In the end of the sentence, we have to put a question mark. Right? Now, the D1. The sun rises in the east. So now students, we have to form a question. So here, where does the sun rises? In the end of the sentence, students, we have to put a question mark. So students, in this page, we had completed the B, C and the D1. Now move to the next. It's a E1 question. I was late because of the traffic jam. Now we have to form a question. What happened because of the traffic jam? And in the end of the sentence, we have to put a question mark. So students, again I am repeating the E1. I was late because of the traffic jam. And the question will be, what happened because of the traffic jam? Right? Now the F1. Funny stories makes me laugh. Now we have to form a question. What makes me laugh? Got it students? Everyone, how to form a question by using these 6 words, right? What, why, when, how, where and who. Got it students? Now, students, if you observe in the page number 14, there is a question number 6 and 7. The question number 6 is, which of the 6 serving men do you like the most? That question is omitted. And the 7th one also omitted. And the 7th one question is, which of the 6 serving men do you use the most? These 2 question answers, it's omitted. Now move to the next question. So here the question number 1, give meanings of the following. In that A1, the A1 question is apostrophe EM, and so the answer is them. Students, again I am repeating the very first one, it's a A1. Apostrophe sign is there and then afterward it is written EM. The full form of EM is them. Now the second one means the B1. Sends them abroad on her own affairs. So here this sentence means that sends them away to the other place to do her work. Sends apostrophe EM them, it means abroad on her own affairs. And the answer is send them away to other places to do her work. So students, now we had completed the page number 14 also. Now move to the next page. So here the page number 15. So students, we had completed the page number 14 also. Now move to the next page. So here page number 15. In that, question number 2, make meaningful sentences. So here students, the very first one, it's a honest, and the answer is, one must always be honest in life. B1C, the India Peninsula is surrounded by sea. Third one means the C1, lunch. I have lunch at 2 p.m. every day. So students, again I am repeating the 3 make meaningful sentences. Students, you have to write down now only. आपको अभी ही लिखना है आपके कंबाइंड बुक में पेज नंबर 15 में. सबसे पहला वाला वर्ड है ऑनेस्ट और उसका सेंटेंस है वन मस्ट ऑलवेज बी ऑनेस्ट इन लाइफ. सेकेंड वन है सी, द इंडिया पेनिसुला इज सराउंडेड बाय सी. थर्ड वन है लंच, आई हैव लंच एट 2 p.m. every day. Now students, move to the next. So now here D1, the very first one, it's a hungry. The answer is, I cannot sleep if I am hungry. Now the E1, abroad. The answer is, my sister has gone abroad for higher studies. Now the F1, affairs, and the answer is, one must not interfere in other people's affair. Students, again I am going to repeat these 3 make meaningful sentence. So here the D1, it's a hungry. The answer is, I cannot sleep if I am hungry. E1, abroad, and the answer is, my sister has gone abroad for higher studies. Now the F1, it's affairs, and the answer is, one must not interfere in other people's affairs. Students, this all question it is there in your combined book page number 15. Students, ये सारे क्वेश्चन और आंसर जो यहाँ पर लिखा है मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस का, यह आपके बुक नंबर 1 में, कंबाइंड बुक नंबर 1 में पेज नंबर 15 में सारे क्वेश्चंस लिखे हुए हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस में हंगरी, अब्रॉड, अफेयर्स, राइट. आपको जस्ट नाउ ओनली यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर. आपको अभी ही आंसर लिखना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैड कंप्लीटेड द मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So students, here question number 3. Answer the following questions. In that A1, who has taught the poet all he knew? So here students, who has taught the poet all he knew का मतलब है पोएट को किसने सिखाया जो उसे आता था. So here the answer, the 6 honest serving men have taught the poet all he knew. Students, पोएट को जो भी आता था वो किसने सिखाया था? 6 honest serving men ने. मीन्स उसके 6 सर्वेंट ने पोएट को सब चीज़ें सिखाई थी जब वो चाइल्डहुड था. So now students, the B1. When does the poet give them all a rest? The answer is, the poet gives them all a rest from 9 till 5 and also during breakfast, lunch and tea. Now students, the C1. Who keeps 10 million serving men? And the answer is, the little child keeps 10 million serving men. Students, again I am repeating the B as well as the C question answer. So here the B1. When does the poet give them all a rest? And the answer is, the poet gives them all a rest from 9 till 5 and also during breakfast, lunch and tea. Now the C1. Who keeps 10 million serving men? And the answer is, the little child keeps 10 million serving men. Right students, we had completed the B as well as C question answer. Now move to the last one, it's a D1. So students, hope everyone had completed the B and the C question answer, right? Now move to the next. So students, now the D1 is the last question answer of page number 15. In your combined book number 1. So here the D1. Do the serving men of the small person get any rest? So the answer is, the serving men of the small person do not get any rest, as she is always asking them questions. Students, again I am repeating the D1. Do the serving men of the small person get any rest? So the answer is, the serving men of the small person do not get any rest, as she is always asking them questions. So students, we had completed the notes. You have to complete these notes before 5 p.m. Still those who had not completed, students, anyhow you have to complete the notes before 5 p.m. So students, thank you for watching the video.